All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking the tool Headz crate. Kyle, the Rustbelt mechanic, has a crate box, available that he sells pretty cheap. It's a, club that you get products from. And mine is sealed, have not opened it, so as you can see, it ain't opening. So we're going to open it together and see what he sent me. Now, I did get this free from him, so there'll be a link to his channel and tool Headz. I don't get anything from him, just support another YouTuber. So let's see what I got. Do the Erico. Let's see what we got. Nice little letter from them. So what we get in the box? Okay. Don't let stuff drop. All right, first off, we've got a Tool Headz t-shirt. Pretty cool. You obviously pick your sizes for everything. A Automate top-done Bluetooth dongle for reading trouble codes. So a pen, a shop rag, an ad for equipment, some grips of steel, zip ties, and obviously where you can buy them from. And then a sticker. Pretty cool. So the Rustbelt mechanics sent this over for no charge, and the links I put in the description are not affiliate links. I get nothing from it, so feel free to click on it. It doesn't, nothing, so just supporting him. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. So like I said, the Rustbelt mechanic sent these to me, just trying to get the word out about his